Hello. It's been a minute. Last time I was on holiday. Welcome back. I think it's really exciting because I love what we're about to talk about, basically. I purchased the Anker MagSafe battery pack, right? So let me tell you the story first. Let me, it's quick, maximum 30 seconds. Let me just tell you quickly what happened. So I realized that there was a new MagSafe charger out on the market and I purchased it. But when I got it, I realized I bought the wrong one. So I unboxed it for you, as you can see here, and it was cool and everything. But the reason why I wanted the new one is because of a couple of features that it has different to what is currently on the newer version. So I thought, let me just unbox it for you and then I'll return it. And then I'll unbox the real one for you. So I got the Anker power bank 622 MagGo, and this one has a 5000 milliamp battery. Because I have the 13 Pro Max, I need something with a little bit more vavoom. I don't know how long this will last. Let's unbox it. We have our Amazon packages. I know a lot of, if not all, of the stuff that we get are from Amazon, but we appreciate the next day delivery. It confuses me why it's blank on the front. I feel like at least an image of what you purchase should be on the front. That's just me personally. This is a Series 6, okay? I don't need scissors. I'm so happy because I'm tired of starting to record and then realizing that I need scissors, so I have to get up and go get it. It's so long. So we have a quick start guide. We have our cable. We have our USB-C to USB-C. And then we have, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. And then that's all we have. And then the color that I got was the lilac color. I just think it's so cute. So what's different about this one compared to its predecessor? The USB-C charging port is on the side now, and so are the light indicators. They're also on the side. You can still, you know, perch it up like this. What I like about this version is that you can actually turn it off if you don't actually want to use the power bank and if you wanted to use the phone as a stand. Apparently this newer version is better with heat management. Apparently there was a lot of issues where the previous version to this was overheating, and this is apparently supposed to be better, which is great, obviously. What was really interesting about this specific version, this is the newer version. On Amazon it had 4.2 stars and the newer version had 4.5 stars. I think it's because this one just came out, so 16,000 people haven't managed to get it yet, as opposed to the older one which has been out for some time. That makes sense. But I was reading some of the comments and it intrigued me. I was just like, am I getting the right one? And I think that's probably why I made the mistake of getting the previous one over this one. But the way that you know that you're getting this one is that the pictures that are displayed on Amazon, it will tell you that you can charge it to the side. They make that very clear in the pictures, but you don't actually know. Like I made the mistake, clearly I made the mistake. Well, I didn't know which one I was getting, but we managed to figure it out. We got it, so we're fine. I love the purple color. It's a very muted lilac, I must say. On the images, it looked a little bit more vibrant. I'm not sure that I'm mad at it though. For both versions, they both come in different colors. This version and the older one, they both come in different colors, but they do say that the MagSafe works better with a case. Oh, I'll show you. So here's my phone in its case now. I highly doubt it's going to work with the case, but let's see. Ooh, it stays on. But my phone is not charging. Let me switch it on first, shall I? This is a good example of connecting the battery pack and being able to use it as a stand if you so desire. And if I was to turn it on now, and it's charging, yay, it's charging. And if I wanted to turn it off, I'm gonna hold it down. It's still there, okay. I'm gonna hold it down for longer and it has come off. My phone has stopped charging. Obviously, the MagSafe connection is not the best with a third-party case that doesn't even have MagSafe on it. So there's that. But this is the connection with the bare phone. Ooh, it's not too shabby, I can't lie. It's not too bad. I actually think that this MagSafe connection is better than the other one. Like it's a stronger magnet, but this is kind of cool. I like that. How is it typing? This is me typing. Although it's obvious that you can feel some bulk at the back, it's not that deep because it's slim. I like that it's slim. The only thing is, more often than not, I'm gonna be requiring the use of something like this when I'm out and about. When I'm out and about, my phone is wearing a case that is not MagSafe supported. So, in my opinion, you would have to have a MagSafe case with you when you're going out. So I'm a bit peeved. I'm a bit annoyed because why are MagSafe cases so expensive? I don't understand. Why are they so expensive? Well, it's fine. It's fine. Because the thing is, right, I was in two minds about getting a MagSafe case now, but I'm going to be upgrading soon. So does it make sense for me to get a MagSafe case now when the new phone that I'm upgrading to is not going to fit the phone that I have? So I'm just wasting money. I don't really know. Oh, you heard that I'm getting a new phone? Oh, stay tuned. I must add that because this only has a 5,000 milliamp battery, I'm not sure that it's going to charge your phone fully. On a full charge of the battery pack itself, it will probably get you like 70%, over 50%, something like that, which this is for a quick boost. This is for a quick juice. If that bothers you, then get the Anker power bank 633. You heard it here, 633. And if you want to know more about that, be sure to check out my next video. The thing is about the 633, it's been out for a minute and I know I'm reviewing it late, but it's better late than never. At least you'll be able to see my personal viewpoints on the 633. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed your time spent with me, and I will see you in my next video.